how to add 50% off on Shopify. So first, go to your account and then you can just click on discounts here at the left side. Now here you can just click on create discount here at the top right, and then here you can just select your discount type. So let's say I'm going to select this one, amount of products, and then just choose your method here, whether you want to use discount code or just automatic discount. So let's say I'm going to use this discount code here. Just type in your discount code here. So I'm just going to generate a random code like so. And then here, make sure your discount value is at percentage, and then you can just type in 50 here. Now here, choose whether you want it to apply to specific collections or specific products. So let's say I'm going to apply it to specific collections. You can just click on browse here and then just choose your collection here. All right, and then click on add. Now here, as for the eligibility, choose whether you want it to, let's say, available for all customers or just specific ones, as you could see here, right? So I'm just going to use the all customers here. And then if you want to, let's say, use minimum requirements for the purchase or for the discount, you can just choose here. All right. So I'm just going to choose no here. And then if you want to add maximum discount uses, you can do that here as well, right? So just choose among the two here. So if you want to add combinations here, just choose here as well. And then as for the active dates, just choose the date and time here for when you want the discount to start. All right. If you want to add end date for the discount, you can just set it here as well. All right. So after all of that, you can just click on save here at the bottom or save here at the top. And there you go. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.